What's up, guys? Long time no see. We're here eating food. Max, Jared, and I.
How's that burger?
Burger's great.
Big, thick, and juicy.
We're at Quick Trip. Best food in the Angus bacon cheeseburger
Bro, he's actually
and the
good.
body armor. What's that?
It's a Powerade. It's like a Propel Powerade.
Got a new shirt. It's pretty lit. Should we do a food review?
My bun's a little crusty. I think it's a little bit old. 8:05, and it's 8:12 right now. I think that lady that was walking out was coming out to pull it off.
The 8:05 a.m.
No, it's 8:05. There's no way it's 8:05 a.m. because this thing is crustier than, like.
Is it good crusty?
It's not bad. It's good, but like my bun is a little stiff.
Mine says 9:15.
Oh, that must mean it's good till. Is that
This
good?
is when it's good until.
Oh.
Oh, really?
What do you
Whoa.
mean? Is
I
this
didn't know.
when this is made?
Yeah.
No, this is when it's
that's
good
what I
until.
thought. Oh.
Huh.
No, that makes sense.
It's Quick Trip, though.
I mean, I was maybe an 1/8 inch off on the holes. We might have to let this down too. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, Weeby. Uh-huh. Weeby. Weeby Jr. Alright, this is what we got. Boomercraft, Phantom, B17, 1996, tub. Actually, it's 17 foot. But Phantoms are originally like kind of fish / ski boats. Some of them are more of a walleye boat, but this bad boy is going to be a musky machine. We got a 90 horse tiller. She'll scoot, a little dangerous, kind of scared, a little bit nervous. We'll make it happen. Been thrown out of the boat a couple, 2-3 times too many, but just wear your kilt cord, life jacket. You'll be okay. Got a few plans with her. Altera up front, 9 Helix 9, and a couple 7s in the back. Got to keep it a little bit cheap. You know, we don't have money for no 12s, but she's got trim. First boat with trim. Kind of excited for that. It's an old 90, but the guy we got her from said he barely used her. Took really good care of it. Yeah, that's exciting. I've never had that before. Redid the transom. Took all the foam out. Took the flooring out. Took all the carpet out.
Really, everything.
Everything. Like everything. It was nothing but like just a boat framing for the flooring. But kind of a little bit of some fancy artwork here, but I don't know. She should work.
Well, that's that. We got the boat pretty much ready to go, almost. Well, that's Jared's boat, and my boat, we're getting a stick welder for aluminum tomorrow. There's 2 more holes that we gotta patch up that are like too big to do with the JB weld that I was using earlier. And yeah, that's it. Once that's done, we just gotta find a motor for it and gotta build the interior and paint it, and it's perfect. So we're about to be set up real good, especially next summer. Next summer will be the summer of doing this. This summer's just stuff we're getting it apparently. So, but I'm fine with that. It's been a good time. It's been fun. That motor's heavy, dude. So thanks for watching. Drop a like if you want to, and yeah, have a great day.